pure AC installation ongoing, currently done by Scatec Electrical Company. You can see, as you can see, pure, how they call it, AC installation ongoing. So you can see the various indoor unit, the electrical tool done by Scatec Electrical Company. Yeah. And here we have it, more and more ACs, 2.5, 2.0, 2.0, 1.5, 2.5, you know, all over. This is the copper pipe works, you know. Yeah, we are here to fix or to hang this outdoor unit. Now for the indoor unit of these ones, they are all in place.